मैम जो हमारे जो एग्जाम्स होने हैं फाइनल टर्म के, वो पेपर स्कूल में होने हैं या फिर ऑफलाइन ही होने हैं?
बेटा, we are not aware about this. Whatever the school will tell, whatever the school will suggest, we will be doing the same. Okay?
ओके मैम.
So till now we are not aware what is going to happen. So prepare yourself for offline as well as online both. Okay? We don't know what will be the conditions.
यस मैम.
Okay? Any other doubt to anyone? Arshia, beta, after 15 minutes, please send me the screenshot. So, shall we start? Gaurish, your doubt? Gaurish?
यस मैम.
हाँ
यस
जी
मैम,
बेटा.
जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड सर्किट्स वाला चैप्टर है मैम, वो इस बार आएगा दोबारा?
बिल्कुल आएगा, बिल्कुल आएगा.
ओके मैम.
Yes, students, very good question. As I told you in the starting that 10% of the syllabus of PT1, PT2 of first term is carried forward to the final exams. So students, this time in final exams, lesson 13 electricity circuits we will be carry forwarding. तो मार्च में आपको electricity circuits भी आएगा along with PT3 and PT4 syllabus. Okay, or it is written in your syllabus also. आपके syllabus में भी लिखा हुआ है. Is that clear? So where were we yesterday? Could anybody tell? Yes, Khushi, where were we? We have covered female reproductive part. Okay. Pollination done. Did we cover functions of flower? Functions of flower done. Okay. Okay, students. Yes, Adgun, your doubt? Yes, Adgun.
मैम वो आंसर देने के लिए किया था अभी.
Okay, students. Let us start with our next topic. Most probably today we will be able to finish it. Our today's topic is fruit. You know, along with leaf, flower, bud, fruit is also born on the stem. जो fruit है, this is also there on the stem, right? So what is fruit? Very small topic, it is given in your book. For that, I am going to draw, to show fruit, I am going to draw female reproductive part of flower. What happen is, this is pistil I am going to draw. यही हमने कल बनाया था, pistil. You remember? We had drawn this. So we did, this is stigma, receptive end, this is style, elongated tube. Got it? Then we did, this is ovary, swollen, innermost part. Then we did, this is ovules, bead-like structure. They have female gametes in them. Done. They have female gametes in them, ovules. Or you can say, another name of gamete is sex cells, right? There are male sex cells, there are female sex cells. जिनको आप male gametes, female gametes भी बोलते हो. So I think I told you yesterday, when male gametes, pollen grains, they come here, they are transferred here, stigma receive it. This is sticky end. Yes, Guneet, you want to say something?
मैम सेक्स सेल्स के स्पेलिंग क्या होते हैं?
बेटा सेक्स सेल्स, SEXCELLS. Gametes are also known as sex cells, male sex cells and female sex cells, right? Then Raghav, you have any doubt? Raghav? No. Chaliye, let us continue with this. Okay, students, what happens is male gametes, they reach here on the stigma. The process is known as, those who are sitting here, pollination. Very right. Process is known as pollination. Then these gametes, they reach here in the style. Then they reach the ovary and they meet with the female sex cells or female gametes, ovules. When they both meet, process is known as, sitting here, जब ये मेल गैमीट्स और फीमेल गैमीट्स मिलते हैं, प्रोसेस इज नोन एज, कल बताया मैंने, यस राइट अर्शिया, फर्टिलाइजेशन. द प्रोसेस इज नोन एज फर्टिलाइजेशन, right? So what happen is, come here, when fertilization is done, this ovary, it becomes fruit. Now it is known as ripened ovary. अब इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Ripened ovary. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Zygote is formed, it is there inside. Okay, this is known as ripened ovary, मतलब पकी हुई, ripened ovary, right? And the outer wall of this ovary, ripened ovary, outer wall of this ripened ovary is known as pericarp. What do we call it? Pericarp. Got it? फ्रूट की जो वॉल होती है, इज दैट क्लियर? और इसके अंदर क्या बन जाते हैं? सीड्स. दीज सीड्स दे गिव बर्थ टू अ न्यू प्लांट आफ्टर जर्मिनेशन. एम आई क्लियर? रिप्रोडक्शन हो गई, मेल गेमीट्स फीमेल गेमीट्स मिले, फर्टिलाइजेशन हुई, दे गिव राइज टू फ्रूट. फ्रूट में से अंदर क्या है? सीड्स. These seeds, they on germination give rise to a new plant. Is that clear to all? Clear? Now write the functions of fruit. What are the functions of fruit? Fruits store food inside them. You know you eat fruits. You all eat fruits, means food is stored inside the fruits, right? Then fruits, they protect the seeds. Fruits, they protect the seeds. Are you writing? Clear? Hurry up. Note down. Then we will move forward to seed. Hanji Jason, your doubt?
मैम आपने फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या बोला फंक्शंस ऑफ फ्रूट का?
Fruits store food inside them.
ओके मैम.
Then Saksham Samarth.
मैम राइपेंड ओवरी को ही हम वो पेरिकैप कहते हैं.
किसको?
राइपेंड ओवरी. मैम राइपेंड ओवरी को हम पेरिकैप कहते हैं.
ओवरी अब क्या है? फ्रूट. और फ्रूट की जो एक्सटर्नल वॉल है उसको पेरिकार्प बोलते हैं। जब फर्टिलाइजेशन हो गई, अब वो क्या बन गई? राइपन्ड ओवरी, पकी हुई ओवरी, राइट? दैट विल बी वी कॉल एज फ्रूट। और फ्रूट की जो एक्सटर्नल वॉल है, या आप कह लो राइपन्ड ओवरी की जो आउटर वॉल है, उसको हम बोलते हैं पेरिकार्प। गॉट इट?
Okay, ma'am.
गॉट इट सक्षम?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
नाउ
Yes, ma'am.
देवांग,
मैम मैम एक बार फ्रूट रिपीट कर दो।
यस बेटे, डेफिनेटली। काव्या, योर डाउट बेटा, यू आर सेइंग समथिंग।
मैम जो आपने यस मैम मैम जो आपने उधर सेक्सेल्स लिखे हैं बोर्ड पर, उसका मीनिंग क्या है?
बेटा गेमीट्स जो होते हैं ना, मेल गेमीट्स, फीमेल गेमीट्स, मैंने आपको कल करवाए थे,
यस मैम।
दे आर आल्सो नोन एज सेक्स सेल्स। सेल्स होते हैं ना एक्चुअली वो,
ओके
राइट? तो इट शोज
Yes,
सेक्स
ma'am.
सेल्स मींस मेल सेक्स या फीमेल सेक्स। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रूट में रिपीट कर रही हूं, पे अटेंशन। Fruit is a ripened ovary. Fruit is a ripened ovary containing seeds inside it. Fruit is a ripened ovary containing seeds inside it. After fertilization, the external wall of the ovary develops into fruit wall known as pericarp. Right? Functions you have written. Ripened ovary just means paki hui ovary after fertilization. Right? Now let us move to the seeds. They are not given in much detail in your book. Still I am letting you know. Seed you all know. Each seed has a baby plant inside it. हर seed के अंदर baby plant होता है, right? When these seeds are sown in the soil, proper water, sunlight, temperature is given, these seeds, they grow into the new plant. They give rise to the new plant by germination, right? Is that clear? हरमीत सिंह, कोई डाउट है जो बैठे हुए हैं अभी? हाँ जी हरमीत सिंह।
यस मैम। मैम जो हमने आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन के बाद क्या बोलना है?
The external wall of the ovary, the external wall of the ovary develops into fruit wall. Known as pericarp. Yes Aryan, I read your message. अगर आपने पहले कंसेंट नहीं भेजा है तो आपको स्कूल में आके पहले मिलना पड़ेगा, कंसेंट उनको देनी पड़ेगी, उसके बाद आपको वो बताएंगे कब से स्कूल आना है, राइट? यू कैन कम टू स्कूल, पहले आपको कंसेंट भेजनी पड़ेगी स्कूल में रिसेप्शन पे, ठीक है? ओके, हरमीत सिंह, योर डाउट डन? ओके, आदगुण।
मैम वो मैंने पेरिकार्प की डेफिनेशन पूछनी थी मैम, वो हो
It
गई
is the
क्लियर।
outer wall of the fruit. Got it? Then Jason, your doubt?
Ma'am, ovary is present in every plant.
Plant? We are talking about fruits, flowers.
Ma'am, yes, ovary is present in every fruit.
Listen. There are certain flowers which contain, बड़ी अच्छी बात पूछी है इसने, which contain both male and female reproductive parts in one flower. While there are some flowers in which either they have male reproductive part or they have female reproductive part, means they are separate. Okay? Is that clear, Jason?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jasmine Kaur. Yes,
मैम
just
चेन प्लांट्स का वन
हाँ जी।
मैम चेन प्लांट्स का वन
हम्म,
मैम जो यूनिसेक्सुअल प्लांट्स होते हैं तो
हाँ,
मैम वो आगे कैसे रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं?
यस, मैं आपको कल भी वैसे ये बात बता चुकी हूँ। दोज प्लांट्स विच आर हैविंग ओनली वन रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट, इधर मेल और फीमेल, तो हमने क्या करा, एंथर्स में से पोलन ग्रेन्स जो है दे आर ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू द अदर और फ्रॉम वन फ्लावर टू द अदर बाय द एजेंट्स लाइक विंड, वाटर एंड इंसेक्ट्स, राइट? इज दैट क्लियर जस्मीन? Okay, so with this we have finished our chapter. Any doubt in this chapter? Any doubt? Those who are sitting here, they can ask me right now. If not, then we will move further. Disha Kundal.
मैम गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। मैम एक बार मैम सीड रिपीट कर दो।
Seed repeat kar do. Seed developed from fertilized ovules, right? Each seed has a baby plant inside it. Each seed has a baby plant inside it. Right? And each seed can give rise to baby new plant by the process of germination. Saksham Samarth Sabharwal. Your doubt?
यस मैम।
हाँ जी बोलिए।
मैम फ्रूट की डेफिनेशन।
रूट की डेफिनेशन पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट दैट ग्रोज बिलो द ग्राउंड। ओके, एनी अदर डाउट? यस सक्षम समर्थ।
फ्रूट की नहीं मैम, फ्रूट
फ्रूट की, ओके, फ्रूट की डेफिनेशन, हाँ जी, नोट डाउन फ्रूट की डेफिनेशन। इट इज अ राइपन्ड ओवरी, it is a ripened ovary containing seeds inside it. Got it? Any other doubt? Jason? बच्चे जो यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं they can ask their doubts too. Hurry up, फटाफट बोलो डाउट्स।
मैम अगर किसी प्लांट के लीव की रेटिकुलेट वेनिएशन है, किसी लीव का पैटर्न है, तो उसकी रूट टैप रूट होगी।
बेटा एक मिनट, मुझे ना समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या बोल रहे हो आप, धीरे बोलो थोड़ा। बोलो।
मैम if a plant has a leaf with the reticulate venation, what kind of root will be there?
कौन सी बताई है मैंने आपको?
मैम टैप रूट।
हाँ बिल्कुल
मैम टैप रूट होगी अगर उसकी रेटिकुलेट वेनिएशन है।
हाँ जी हाँ जी बिल्कुल। Any other doubt to anyone? हाँ जी, those who are sitting here, do they want to ask anything? Okay, starting में Karthik was asking something. Where is Karthik? Raise your hand so that I can clear your point also before moving to the question answers part. Karthik. Yes, Karthik. बोलिए बेटा।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was asking the definition and function of pedicel and petals. Pedicel and petals.
Pedicel and petals. Okay, note down. What is pedicel? Pedicel is a small stalk-like structure with which the flower is attached to the branch. Right? Petals क्या है? Petals are brightly colored, leaf-like structures that attract the insects for pollination. Clear? Aryan, regarding coming to school, whatever your doubts are, you can talk to reception. Okay, you can come, there is no problem, but before that you have to send the consent. Okay, if you want to change your consent, then again you have to talk at reception, right? Okay, or you can talk to the class in charge. Hanji, any other doubt to anyone? Because still few minutes are left. If there is no doubt, then we can practice the diagram right now. So first of all, note down which diagrams you have to draw in the fair notebook. Note down. Yes, it's a bud. Bud likhiye. Can anybody tell the definition of bud? Those who have sitting here, those who are, what is a bud? Yes, Harman, stand up. What is a bud? Stand up. Hanji. This is not a bead-like structure. Wrong. Yes. Any other? Ruhani? Very bad. Raj Aryan? What is bud? Stand up, answer. It means you people are not writing. पूरा full fledged topic पूरा एक दिन लगाया मैंने इस टाइम पे. Very bad. Sarang? Small किसके like structure? No. Yes. Drishti, answer it.
The small outgrowth on the stem of the plant. There are two types of bud, apical
Right,
bud,
Drishti.
axillary bud.
Right, thank you. There are small outgrowths on the stem of the plant. They are known as buds. There are two types of buds, apical bud and axillary bud. Apical bud is present at the top of the plant, which is responsible for the upper growth of the plant. Right? Then axillary bud, it is present at the axil. Means it is present between the stem and the branch. Right? From here, new branch or the new flower, it arises. Clear? Okay. Harmeet Singh, regarding final exams, we are not clear. Right? Whatever will be there, it will be sent the message. The school will send the message to you. Okay? First of all, pay attention here in the class. Yes, Janvi, you want to say something? Hanji? Janvi? She is not responding. Okay, Madhav, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harmeet Singh. No. Okay, students, if there is no doubt, Guneet, you want to say something? But just start drawing the flower. Start. I am going to check.
Ma'am, gametes के gametes के spelling बता. Gametes के.
Gametes. Gametes. Okay, students. Start, everyone start drawing the diagram of flower. I am going to check it right now. Hurry up. Now in next lecture, we will complete the question answers. First, I think you were writing the number of diagrams. Hana? Yes, please note down the number of diagrams. First of all, you will draw Please make a list. Parts of plant body. Then parts of stem. Then leaf. Then venation. Types of root. LS flower. अलग से बनाओगे मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट. What do we call the male reproductive part? Stamen. Right? Number 8. Female reproductive part. अब क्या बोलते हैं फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट को? पिस्टल. Right? After writing the list, start drawing. I am going to check here. Hurry up. Start drawing. Those who are sitting here, I am going to check it now. Here online, those who will be doing, those who have completed, just raise the hand. I'll be seeing there. Yes, Jasmine, you have to do labeling also.